Your journey starts beneath southern skies, where crater and ocean meet. A land where giant volcanoes once ruled the skies. Where metal hawks soar, you can dine above the clouds. Where guardians of the land cook on fire from below. Where bridges float in midair. Spread your wings. And where warrior princesses know how to warm your heart. Where the best approach can come from land, sea, or sky. And where unspoilt islands are never far away. It is a place that will forever keep you under its spell. Traveler, your dreams are waiting.